Hi. So today I will take you through Benford analysis or Benford Law. It will help you detect fraud in financial statements. If you are interested to see or to detect fraud in bank statement or other areas on naturally occurring data. So Benford Law states that in many naturally occurring numerical data sets, the first digit is more likely to be small. The first digit is more likely to be small. For example, digit 1 is expected to occur about 30%, while digit 9 is about to occur 4 to 5% of the time. This non-uniform distribution can help investigators or auditors detect anomaly in data, such as bank statement. So, always, as per Benford law, the first digit occurs 30% of the time. Why? Number 3, 12. So, as you continue even 5, you can see 7.9. So, all these numbers occur as per this or something closer to this. 1 30%, 2 17.6, 3 12.5, and 9.744, 7.9 for 5, 6.746, 5.847, and finally 9, about 4.6. So all this you can see here is what this statistician has came about with. So auditors or investigators can use for anomaly detection, such as bank statement figures to compare the observed distribution of first digits with the expected frequencies. Significant deviation, percentage like more than 2, may suggest data manipulation or fraudulent activity. Fraudulent activity. It may also be used risk assessment and screening tool. It's applied with data sets that span several orders of magnitude and where the numbers are naturally generated, like financial statement, transaction, or population data. Please note, this may not apply on unnatural data. It may not apply on unnatural data. For example, fixed ranges, assigned numbers, invoice numbers, lottery numbers, telephone numbers, all those are unnatural numbers. So let us do or look at an Excel and see how we can come up with. So today, this is my data. It has the date, it has amount, debit amount and credit amount. What I'm interested is column C with is debit amounts. Those are payments. So I want to get the first number on those amounts for the 4, the 0, the 3, the 1, the 8. So I want to get those numbers. But again, getting those numbers is not easy. So I will use a formula called left, and then I select the first cell which I'm interested, and then how many numbers? Numchas means the number of items you're interested. If you're interested in 3 numbers, you will get 3 numbers. But in this case, I'm only interested in the first number, If you are interested in the first 2 numbers, you select 2. If you are interested, so for this Benford analysis, what we are interested is the first number, and then that is 4. I will just double click and get all the numbers. I'll just click on get all the numbers. Again, these are the numbers I'm interested. These are the criteria I want. So I have just typed already the criteria I want, and this is the Benford expected results. So what I will do is count if. I will use count if formula to get the number of times 1 is appearing in range E. So my criteria is this number 1. So number 1 appears 372 times in range E, and the total is here. The total you can select alt is equal to or sum or whichever formula you want. So we have the numbers here is 1216, and number 1 has or appears 372 times. Number 2 appears 213 times. Number 3 appears 168 times. So for us to convert into a percentage, you say the total for number 1 and divide by the total of the totals. The total for number 1 divide by. So let me lock this the total cell so that I can just double click. I have locked this. So Let me double click, and this is what we are getting. So for our case, this number is appearing more than 1%, and this one is appearing more than 2%, even if it is negative. So we will investigate these two areas in our data set. So if you are an auditor, you will concentrate on these items just to detect this fraud, because they are abnormal. They are abnormal distribution. Thank you for watching this video. Follow me for more content like this. Thank you.